My video will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Weon, W-E-O-N. This is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. By the way, this ransomware encrypts files and damages the files considerably. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. However, sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system. So very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this Weon ransomware. So this ransomware encrypts files and appends a special Weon extension additionally to the file names, so it is not possible to use the files anymore. And so now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware appends this Weon extension to the file names. It also tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then start carefully investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on this Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. And it will first of all update its anti-malware database. And that's truly essential for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it would begin scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner will then give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed. Its anti-ransomware feature allows users to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, this feature does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data. As I said, at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. We recommend upgrading to Premium. This will help you to always have your files protected. And you may find a special link in the description for this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.